A few years ago, everyone was saying that the war was over. Unix was dead. IBM had won.
You want to stay in the game or not?
Gotta ditch SPARC and Solaris.
Migrate everything to a Linux platform.
Thank God I didn't listen. And how was I going to rip and replace anyway? Revenue per customer was flat, as was my IT budget, even though traffic was growing 50% a year. Meanwhile, I couldn't forget what happened to my predecessor.
So we lost 20% of our customer base. What's the big deal?
He was trying to untangle a series of acquisitions and add new services at the same time. The stress on our resources led to 3 major outages. But before begging the CFO for a rip and replace, I wanted to see how we could build on what worked already. I kept coming back to our SPARC servers. They never crashed, and our admin tools gave us the real-time visibility that we needed. Still, I needed a dramatic increase in power and scalability. So I talked to some colleagues who'd switched from SPARC to IBM.
We just about got the hardware and software tuned.
But it's been 2 years, right?
What's your point?
How much is that costing?
Don't ask.
And then my data center manager sent me a performance benchmark on the new SPARC SuperCluster systems. I was skeptical, but also intrigued.
Oracle's new T4 processor? That baby's taken SPARC to a whole new level. We can consolidate all our M&A systems onto a couple of SPARC superclusters. Virtualization is built into every supercluster, so we can run multiple database and app tiers, even using different versions of Solaris.
She was really selling me. But in the middle of the year, we just don't have the money to throw around.
But look, SPARC SuperCluster has all the capabilities we need already, built in. Virtualization, encryption, systems management, flash memory. The savings there alone is phenomenal.
The geek in me loved all that. But in the end, I'm not judged on technology. I'm judged on my contribution to the business. We got off to a great start, literally deploying in days. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. What's really boosting our bottom line and my credibility? We are rolling out new service offerings faster than anyone in the industry, thanks to the deep integration between Solaris and Enterprise Manager. We can deploy virtualization quickly, simplify rollout through testing and production, automate resource allocation, all without bringing down our servers. Oh, and did I mention that we got a platform for a private cloud thrown into the mix? Yeah. SPARC SuperCluster is an amazing business tool. Actually, it's a business saving tool.